Good day, everyone. Do you believe that I belong to any secret society, or do you believe that I have my own mind, that I actually started in the nuclear industry in 1992, that I had my own life experiences, that I got married, I had kids, that I just experienced life? I went to the Air Force, was in the military at the Test Flight and Development Center, spent 8 years in counter-terrorism intelligence, and through those experiences, I picked up things that I could use to explain to you what is happening in the world. Do I need to be in a secret society because there is a prop of a clock hanging next to me for me to be able to give you the information that I provide? You tell me in the comments. A lot of people have actually said and believe that you need to belong to a secret society to have the knowledge base that I have. Then I would tell those people you're intellectually lazy and maybe unlucky. I can call myself lucky for my experiences, or I could call myself absolutely damned. And that's more how I feel, because many of these experiences were not my choice. And they have nothing to do with secret societies, in fact, far from it. Have I studied secret societies, what they do, their effects, etc.? Do I warn people against those that need to be warned against, and ideals that would take our freedom away? Absolutely, I do this. I have never in my life entered into any secret agreement with any secret society on this planet, and I have encouraged people to never join secret societies. Not now, not ever. And this is super important. You need to remain as free as possible. Keep your mind as free as possible. All information is available. And what the secret societies believe they have kept secret for so long from the mainstream world out there is only in effect to the people that follow the mainstream and the mainstream media. Everything is available for those that want to seek and find it within the world, either within books or even online. Everything is available. There are no secrets. I have confirmed this with regards to any of the secret societies out there. So I speak about many secret societies on this channel, and I don't have that information because I'm a member of them. Have I known people in secret societies? Absolutely. Have you? Absolutely. You might not even know. Have I known people in intelligence? Absolutely. I was a part of counter-terrorism intelligence. Did I wear plain clothes? Absolutely. Do they wear plain clothes? Absolutely. Your spouse could be a part of an intelligence group without you even knowing that this is the case. And this is the real world that we live in. But, you know, ignorance is bliss. It is wonderful to think things are just a certain way, the way school taught you. But life can throw things at you that make you see things in a different way, like it did in my case. Like what I saw at Parliament events with my own eyes, when I saw that South Africa hasn't got a government that is in control, that they are controlled by other powers, by large business interests. And it's not just about business, it's about people that control business, that control the banking sector, that control the regulations and rules that politicians foment. And once you start understanding this, then you can start creating a real picture what is happening in your life. And people only really started getting really interested in this, mainstream people, during the COVID-19 pandemic, when their freedoms were removed from them. And this will happen again. It will happen again, and when it does, it would benefit you to listen to what I have to say, not believe what I have to say. Listen to what I have to say, consider what I have said, put it in the back of your mind, do further research of your own, and come closer to your own truth. You owe it to yourself. Make the effort. Don't be intellectually lazy and accuse me of being a member of a secret society because I have a clock that serves a purpose to me, as to many things, dials that I can adjust, that can have meaning, that I can explain to the members on the channel, something that is interesting. and something that I like. If you want to know where I bought it, I didn't get it from a secret society. I actually got it from Arabesque in Durbanville. A really awesome prop for the studio, and I will keep it no matter what you should believe or impose on me because of a clock. Because someone that actually gifted me an anchor in the past, a wooden anchor with my name 00 Des on it, I was accused of being part of even more secret societies. People have lost their marbles. You, if you believe these things, have lost it, and maybe you need psychological help. Because if you come and visit me, if you get to know me, I'm the furthest thing from secretive. I speak about everything. I hang it out here, and because of that, I can be criticized for it. So look at other YouTube channels out there. How much do you know about these people? How much do you know about who funds them? Because I know who funds the work that we do. It's a membership on this channel. We all know who funds what we are doing. There are no secret agendas or anything like that. All of us have agendas. I make them clear. They are not secretive. It's there for all of you to see. When we have meetings, I arrive at the meetings. I speak to people. This is not rocket science. This is simple. And there's many people that can testify to how simple a life we have as a family, that there's nothing secretive about us, that there's no hidden billions of rands in property or whatever people have speculated in the past, and that we are who we are. People with information, people with experiences that can help others to make decisions. Nothing more, nothing less. Not a superhero, not a celebrity, nothing like that. Not a prophet, not someone that can tell you the future. I can tell you what other people plan to do in the future. I absolutely can. And I understand those plans probably better than most. In South Africa, I've not found anyone else that has my understanding currently. I wish there would be more people. There are more people trying to expose many things in the world. And I would suggest that you follow those channels. Go and follow people that are trying to expose what is happening in the world. Not bringing you sensational news, the political clownery as I call them, not the truth report that is far from the truth, that is driving a narrative, not all of these channels that is now captured by the same people that have captured the United States and everything that is happening there. I've always said that what has happened in the US happened here in South Africa. If you look at the history, I've explained it many times before, and I will again in future. You will see Zionist involvement in all of these movements. And you will see how Zionists are involved in capturing people, taking them to Israel, brainwashing them into believing a specific narrative. And people have been brainwashed in their religious beliefs to cause friction that will one day, these people hope, descend into a third world war. I want to stop conflict at all costs. And those of you that believe, but the Bible says so, you are self-fulfilling your own destruction. That is what you are doing. So, people, if you find any help in the information that I provide on this channel, please subscribe to the channels and click the bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos. Those of you that absolutely hate what I have to say, why even bother watching? Why even comment? It's really pointless. Those of you that want to get out of the rabbit holes that you're stuck in, I will help you as much as I can. But in the end, it is your own work that will make that happen. I believe that people need to find their own truth. I can give you guidance. I can give you pointers in certain directions. However, I believe in your freedom to make those choices. I'm not going to tell you what to believe, the way the Bavarian Illuminati believe things should be done, and that it's an enlightened way to dictate to others what to believe and what not to believe. In the end, truth will find you. Thanks so much. Till the next video.